Hey guys, it's Roylin, and I just wanted to let you know that I am cooking vegan. So I thought I'd share with you one of my favorite recipes that I make, and I swear, it's like crack. It's like so delicious, you just won't even believe it. So let's start cooking. And there we have it. Broccolini with avocado cream, little kale, and some lion's mane mushroom meat on top. There you go. Roylin Downs, Berkshire Hathaway. I love cooking. I love real estate. Okay, and I have to say, I just finished eating it all, and I feel so energized and so happy. So, just so you know, I just love eating vegan food.